In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fetch data from API in Power BI. We'll start inside Power BI Desktop on your computer, open the app and head into any report where you want the data to appear. And this can be an existing report or a blank one. The process works the same either way. With your report open, look to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Get Data. From the list of sources, choose Web because an API endpoint is essentially a web address that returns data, often in JSON or CSV format. You're about to provide the API's URL. If you already have it, paste it into the URL box. If you don't have it handy, switch over to your web browser, navigate to the API endpoint you plan to use and copy its full URL. Make sure it's the exact address that returns the data you need, including any necessary query parameters like filters, date ranges, or pagination tokens. Also, never include sensitive information such as personal tokens in a way that can be shared. Keep credentials secure and use supported authentication methods. Go back to Power BI and paste that URL into the dialog. When you're ready, click OK. Depending on the source, Power BI may ask you to confirm how to connect. Click Connect to continue. If the API requires authentication, you may be prompted to choose a method such as anonymous or organizational credentials. Use the option Approved for your data source and confirm that you have permission to access it. Once Power BI reaches the endpoint, the navigator window will appear. Here, you'll see one or more items representing the data returned. Select the data you want. If the preview shows nested records or lists, that's normal for JSON APIs. You can expand and shape those fields later if needed. Take a moment to scan the preview so you know you're pulling the right content and that columns look as expected. When your selection looks good, click Load. Power BI will import the data into your model and create a new table. You'll see the fields in the Fields pane, ready for visuals, measures, and relationships. If your dataset is large, consider using query parameters in the URL to limit the result set and improve performance. If nothing appears in Navigator, verify that the URL returns data in a supported format and that your network allows the request. After loading, you can refresh to pull the latest response. When you publish to the Power BI service, set up scheduled refresh to keep dashboards up to date and be mindful of API rate limits and timeouts to avoid errors. That's it. You opened your report, got data from web, pasted the API URL, connected, selected the dataset, and loaded it into Power BI. Save your report and you're ready to build insights from your API.